Understand you soon, it won't be long.
Keep on, keep running. Running and running.
Alright boys, long time no see. We got a fucking unboxing. I almost cut myself with the knife. Let's get this, Open it up like a Subway sandwich. Hopefully nothing breaks. Rip that open like it's some ass cheeks. Delicious. Ooh, that's crispy sounds. Ooh. Alright, we got the notebook for the ideas. That shit is nice and pretty. This ball's a lot smaller than I thought it was. Alright, I've been waiting for this fucking sexy ass globe right here. You guys see that, bro? It's like a little nightlight. I wanted to put it in the corner of my desk. I didn't realize it was going to be this fucking small, you know? Like 6 inches. I didn't know it was going to be that small. And I'm going to give you guys an honest ass review. This thing is fucking ugly. This thing is ugly. It looks like my ball sack whenever I get blue balled. Alright. Hopefully it's better at nighttime. Today I'm going to show you guys like what it looks like in the daytime and nighttime. What is this? Fettuccine Alfredo? What the fuck? Alright. Oh, I gotta assemble this, bro? What is this? Jenga? Oh, we gotta do some Jenga, boys. I'm gonna have to read the instructions because that's like 3 pieces right there. I'm gonna get this all over my desk. I'm gonna get all this Fettuccine Alfredo stuff all over my desk. This is a small ass remote. Let me give you guys a size comparison. That's my hand. That's like the palm of my hand. This is what a regular LED remote that you guys probably have in your room for like the lights and stuff like that. That's what it looks like. This is small. This is so small. The good thing about this, I'm pretty sure, is USB powered. So that's the USB right there. You see that? Very small. I don't know how this is gonna reach. We plug it in right here, since it's like a basketball or some shit. Yup. We got it plugged in right in there in the back. And I think we can tie it into our desk. Alright. I got it set up. I got it connected to my monitor. It's not the most prettiest thing. It's right there. What's up, guys? What's going on? My goodness. This is the ball right here. I don't know how to turn it on. I'm stupid. That's what we got the remote for. On. On. Please don't tell me you have to fucking... There we go. I'm smart. I'm smart. Ooh, that's a nice little color. I was hoping to be a little bit brighter. Maybe if we turn up the brightness. No, it's not as bright as I thought it was. Green, blue, purple. Yo, that's a nice purple. You guys see that on camera? Okay. I have no idea how to set this up. Here we go. I'm gonna figure this out and then I'm gonna show you guys after it's done. Alright, got it done, guys. That's pretty much what it looks like in daylight time. It's pretty bright out right now. It's looking pretty nice. I'm honestly just gonna leave it hooked up to my monitor and it's probably pretty much gonna just turn on automatically from the monitor. But it's honestly pretty nice. I'd suggest you get one of these. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look fucking amazing at nighttime though. If you guys are seeing like the little flashes and stuff like that, that's only getting picked up on the camera, but in IRL, you're not gonna see that. It's looking perfectly fine. I thought it was gonna look pretty shitty, but it actually looks pretty good. You guys should definitely cop it. It's pretty cheap. It's not too bad.
love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.